Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, fog lamps, FWD, privacy glass. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.